Hi everyone, I'm Lulu, a senior technical development expert for Beike AI Technology Center. It's my great honor to give the Sigmod community an overall introduction of our work. In this talk, first I will give an overview of Beike Zhaofang, and then share our big data and AI strategy and showcase some AI application at Beike. Some of you may not know much about Beike. Beike is a leading online real estate brokerage platform similar to Zillow, the Zillow of China. Yeah. Actually, we are an organization that combines Lianjia, China's leading real estate brokerage brander with more than 20 years of history, and Beike, China's leading integrated online and offline platform for housing transactions and services with 3 years of history. We are a pioneer in building the industry infrastructure and the standards in China to prevent house service providers and housing customers efficiently navigate and consummate housing transactions, ranging from existing and new house sales, home rentals, to home renovation and other services. We aspire to provide comprehensive and trusted housing services through our online and offline platform to 300 million families. For over a decade, we spent some efforts on implementing a series of digitalization efforts focuses on data, transaction precise, and service quality. Our unique strength is the largest amount of housing data. Currently, we have about more than 520,000 agents and 48.5 million mobile monthly active users and 350,000 views of property showing per day. We process over 100 petabytes of data every month. We have invested significant resources to build and enrich our housing dictionary, containing authentic and unique property listings since 2008. Our housing dictionary covered approximately 224 million homes and was the most comprehensive housing database in China. In addition, our platform generates a significant amount of data from interactions on our platform and the transactions that we facilitate. This data provides us with valuable insights and help us provide customer-managed products and services. Match agents with listings, housing customers, and facilitate transactions. In the rest of this talk, I will give an overview of Beike AI strategy and use a few examples to demonstrate the power of AI in housing marketplace. In recent years, PropTech has seen huge momentum, and AI especially is now playing a major role in people's buying or selling decisions on real estate transactions. While housing service providers still face a number of changes, as most of the generated leads in housing bills to go to the next level, the sales cycle gets existing longer. So we have to face a massive group of service providers and customers, as well as a typical service cycle of over 100 days, a long-term transaction process. Add to this, the quantity and quality of housing data also is the barrier to onboarding the AI technology. Besides, many traditional AI algorithm cannot be migrated directly, which puts forward very high requirements for our AI team. Through this phenomenon, we see more opportunities for AI. If solving these problems, and the efficiency and the experience of housing industry must be improved. So how to use AI technology to transforming a housing marketplace? Beike is a multi-sided marketplace, including three parties. A very central strategy in the housing marketplace is to focus on the head of the transaction. That means customer, housing, and agent. It requires us to do a very precise clarification for the housing and customer. So we develop bigger score and so clarification. In addition, we are property showing AI assistant, 小贝 assistant, and other innovative products to enhance the efficiency and the experience of the platform. In addition, Beike developed Agent Cooperation Network (ACN) as the operating system underpinning our infrastructure to redefine relationships among industry participants. There are two demos. The left one shows the cooperation network ACN within one city, and the right one shows the cooperation network among several cities. Okay. We have optimized our database structure to make it more suitable for AI and machine learning processes. Based on our accumulative data collection, we are well positioned to develop various AI applications to enhance the operation of our platform, such as intelligent matching, intelligent assistant, intelligent customer service, intelligent operation, including urban forecasting, visualization, and smart home clarification, and so on. Yeah. AI will explore more applications in the future. Next, I will use a few examples to show how AI has been successfully applied in Beike. The first one is intelligent matching system. Beike provides full cycle services for housing transactions, including housing matching, housing selection, authorization, tours, and transaction closing, in which process matching significantly contributes to the business success for reducing after time spent to get a desired housing, and by improving user experience and user satisfaction. Traditionally, we use advanced machine learning algorithms such as relevance ranking and click-through rate prediction to produce high-quality search results. Specifically, a general recommendation problem can usually be transformed into a task to fill the blank elements in two-dimensional matrix. In contrast, our customer listing agent task might ask to consider more complex relationships and fill the blanks in higher dimensional matrix. So one challenge here is the multi-layer customer conversation. Its complexity to the relationship between the matching results and the final transaction outcomes, increasing the difficulty to develop effective matching algorithm. These are several steps between recommending the matched housing out agent to the customer and realizing the final business outcome, such as click, mark, business opportunities, and authorization. Many factors associated with each step can affect final outcome. Furthermore, this optimization problem involves additional realistic constraints. For example, agents have limited service capacity within a period of time, and their familiarity with different housing listings may vary. The next is AI assistant to improve service quality. In particular, Beike facilitates housing transactions by connecting customers, housing providers, or housing owners, and agents. It's important to point out that the agents play a key role in almost every step in the long transaction cycle, such as helping to search available houses according to customers' preference, scheduling tours, facilitating transactions closing, and maintaining customer relationships. Therefore, it's critical for the platform to help service provider, including agents and store managers, to promote the service capability and quality. AI Assistant empowers agents with a personalized assistant that listens, learns, and helps with every single conversations. We have developed a robot tutor using AI for agent training scenarios. For example, role play is practiced to improve agent performance. This unit is about property presentation and how to understand customers' needs. We have also developed agent assist using deep learning and natural language generation algorithm. It provides intelligent guidance, recommending next best actions to quickly resolve complex customer issues, and offers draft response for agents' consideration when they are interacting with customers. In addition, store managers are supported with intelligent diagnosis for informed decisions and better quality in service. So AI assistant, 小贝 assistant, provides agent assessment and real-time feedback, offering agents property and customer insight. It enables real-time decision support to minimize variance in agent service. In the next 10 years, we think technology will change housing in 3 layers. The bottom layer, also the first layer, is optimizing housing infrastructure to build a smart community. And the second layer is a smart home, and the third layer is housing platform, which is Beike built in the past few years, had linked customer, housing provider, and agents together to solve the problem of information asymmetry. Every day, Beike uses its big data and AI-powered engine to transform the housing transactions and services industry in China by improving the quality and efficiency of service providers and enhancing customer experience. AI is becoming part of what Beike does. Okay, at last, we welcome all types of talent to join us to work on challenging housing problems. If you are interested in our job position, please send your CV to the email campus of Curd.com. You can find more information from our website, our HR human recruitment website, campus.curd.com. For more job and career information, please scan the QR code and follow us on WeChat. So thanks all of you for listening. Thank you.